Hi there, it's currently 5:04 p.m. and on this week's Shop Stuff, I'm doing what I'm calling the power of an hour. This shop is a mess. This shop is a wreck. Since we filmed our first episode, we were working here nonstop to get the episode out. And so right now it's like a total disaster. So in the next hour and a half, I'm just going to go through and I'm going to clean it up. There are like 16 different projects I want to do, and you're going to come along for the ride. This is mini projects on this week's Shop Stuff.
The most annoying thing on the planet is having this snowblower in our garage, so returning it to our neighbor was priority number one. Mission accomplished. I consider organization to be an essential part of life. It's really an impediment to doing anything else if you're disorganized. So making sure that you have a functional, organized space like Michael and I built out in the shop is really important.
So after just half an hour of work, look at how much better it looks. We're getting places.
This sign is from the spring musical that I helped build the set for at my school. We went into the theater for the first time after COVID hit, and I had to have it, so it's here, and now it's going up on the wall. Our chest of drawers is simultaneously the best thing and the worst thing about the shop. If we had all these tools out, we couldn't have a shop, it would just be a warehouse, but also these drawers are really, really prone to getting disorganized. They're supposed to be organized, but we keep getting new tools and stuff, so, I mean, it's a constant battle. We fight it every day. I would recommend a chest of drawers, though, especially if you have a lot of random tools you need to store in places, as well as screws, nuts, bolts, consumables, and other things. The milk crates are one of the best organizational parts of the shop. They store stuff really well, they stack really nicely, and they're great if you just need tools for one project. But the important thing is you have to keep them organized, and that's what I'm doing here. And there you go. In just an hour and a half, we restore the shop to its former glory. We'll see you next time on Shop Stuff.